Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram sign up error or how to solve you can't create a new account on Instagram right now. First, I would recommend that you go into Play Store, and from here you're going to search for Instagram, and you want to check if the Instagram app needs updating. If it doesn't need updating, I would recommend that you close out of that and go into settings. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select apps. And once you have selected apps, in the top right hand corner, you're going to tap on the search icon and you're going to type in Instagram. You can see it right here. Then once you have done that, you want to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on storage. Then you're going to tap on clear cache and you'll tap on clear data also, and you can see all of this application's data will be deleted permanently, and you will tap on OK. After you have done that, you will try again to log in and create an account, and if it doesn't work, if none of these solutions work for you, I would recommend that you go into Google Chrome. And from here, you'll simply type in Instagram.com and try and create an account on Instagram.com through Google Chrome. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.